beautiful things, wonderful things. So first of all, I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. I hope you might have enjoyed this moment.
Yes, miss.
So I too have enjoyed this moment very. So transformation journey from past 3 months. So past 3 months we are attending this coaching class. Already our HM sir has said all the points. So what was the first part, from first part to the last part, up to success blueprint. So for me, this transformation journey, really it was a fantastic journey for me. It was a fantastic. In the beginning, I was thinking, will it be useful for me? Will I be able to change my mindset, my thoughts, and all those things? But really, after attending these coaching classes, lot of confidence levels have been increased in me. It's a genuine thing which I'm sharing with you all. So, the entire credit goes to our, I will not say my chairman sir, I will say he's my coach. So, so I give this credit to my mentor, my coach. And usually I always say, so this is the second home for me. First home is which I'm coming from Tadapalligudem, this is the second home. And really since 15 years, this is my 15th year in this organization. This is where I feel comfortable, where it gave a lot of opportunity. This organization has given me so much of opportunity. But at some moments, there were the times when I never used to explore myself. I never used to come and share the things. But during the coaching classes, I shared my thoughts, my feelings, Sir used to give us the activities. So through these activities, I learned a lot of things. So first of all, the first session was you have to discover your inner DNA. Who am I? Really I don't know since so many years. Who am I? Who am I? Next, the wheel of life. So in the life, which area you are strong and which area you are weak. So there were so many questions. Really in our daily schedule, when we come to the school or wherever we are working, we don't have time to think of all these things. But sparing so much of time for 2 hours, more than that. Sometimes the time used to go on like that. But still it was interesting to listen all those things from our mentor. So I think this was the best part, and I'm also happy he didn't transform me, he brought the transformation in my staff too. So in the beginning, whenever I used to appoint the teachers, whenever the programs would go on, so some of we used to feel, even our teachers can speak something on the stage or say something. Really today it was an awesome moment that all the teachers came and they shared their views and ideas to whatever they have gone through this coaching class. Here this coaching class has helped us a lot. It has changed our mindset, it has changed our thoughts. How to change our quote, how to bring the positive quotes from the negative quotes, the buzz moments. Really in the life we have not taken the correct decisions in the past years. So really one time, I think few days back that session was going on, sir was asking, so tell me about something that means you are feeling guilty, you might be feeling guilty in your life, that at that moment you didn't take the correct decision, so that because of that you are facing this problem like that. So I shared, so it was one of the moment was when I was doing my graduation. So I'll share 2 minutes, okay? I will not take much of your time. So in my time of graduation, the degree first year, so I used to go to Rajahmundry for to do my graduation, because I don't know Telugu and all those things. I can't read and Telugu not, because all my schooling was done in the CBSE syllabus and all those things. So for graduation, I used to travel daily to Rajahmundry. So in the first year only, one ad came in the newspaper for cabin crew training, for air hostess training. So I went for that. I wrote the entrance exam. They called me for the 1 week training. I went there. But unfortunately, what happened, after the successful completion of the training, they told me that we'll send you we'll update you each and every time wherever there will be vacancies. You can go and attend the interviews like that. So unfortunately what happened, so in the degree exams were going on. At that time only they used to inform me that there is a vacancy, you have to go and attend the interview. Just because of my examination, I couldn't go and attend that interviews because I wanted to complete my graduation, my degree. So really at that time, it was the time that I took the wrong decision. If I would have taken the right decision today, I would have been traveling in the flights. So these are the things which we never discuss with anybody. As sir said, that we people keep all the things in our mind and our heart and we don't open them. We don't express them. Someone should be there with whom we can express. And really, this is the person who is standing beside me. So everyone said he's a godfather, he's a father, he's like a father, he's a mentor, he's a guide. So really, hats off to you, sir. And one more thing, not little bit, some of the credit goes to our correspondent madam also. 75%, okay. Right. Yes. Here also I will share one thing. One day actually what happened, it's our mistake only. It's not sir mistake, it was our mistake. That I will confess over here itself only. Actually, that one meeting was going on, we didn't attend the meeting. I was having some problem, but I didn't want to give the excuse because whenever Parveen gives excuses, they think Parveen always makes excuses like that. So that time I didn't attend, and behind me all my staff members, they also didn't attend the meeting. So in that time, in the next class when we had a Zoom meeting, nicely our correspondent took a class to us. she gave a key to us. Really, someone should be there. Someone should be there behind you to encourage you, to motivate you, to guide you. Mastermind, yes, in my there's one more part in this mastermind group. So in my mastermind group, the inspiring people like Chairman sir, inspiring people like Chairman sir, correspondent madam, and all my staff colleagues, my students. So my life is here surrounds this, here with the TBR organization since 15 years. So this is my 15th year. Really, I am very blessed. I am very touchful, blessed that because everyone doesn't get opportunity. Everyone doesn't get opportunity. And when you get the opportunity, you should grab it. You should not simply leave it that opportunity. And it's a lesson for not for us only, it's for each and every student also, for 10th class students. So whenever you get the opportunity, come and grab it and do it and give your best performance. Give your 100% effort and guarantee that you get success in your life. So that's all. I think Teja sir is thinking when I stop my speech. Okay. Anyways, thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much for this wonderful opportunity. And once again, thank you very much, ma'am. Without your guidance, if you won't motivate us, if you won't encourage us, the stones can't become the diamonds. Really, these are the things which I got from, I made some changes in my routine also. Early morning, sir told us, whenever you feel anxietiness or something, take a deep breath for 5 times. Really, and it's working on. It's working, really it's working. Really it's working, and I'm doing some simple exercise also. And one more thing, nowadays I have made the habit of reading the books. I took that Think and Grow Rich book. How the ordinary peoples have become the extraordinary peoples. That's okay. So we don't think we are ordinary.
Madam, what about
extraordinary?
TBR Unstoppable book?
Oh, TBR is the best. We are unstoppable. No one can stop us. We the TBRs are the best in all the fields, in all the regions. Just we have to bring that spark from us. Yes, sir? I hope Sir might have liked my message. Usually I don't speak. I am not a good speaker. I am rocking, sir. Yo. Yo. Okay, right. Thank you very much. No, I'll not take much time. Thank you very much, sir. So once again, I'll take the blessings of them. So keep these things will keep on going miles and miles. Okay. Okay, I hope. Thank you. So last but not the least, few words from my correspondent madam. Yes, one more thing I forgot. We should not forget. That's a big mistake. Okay. In every coaching class, even madam used to come and she used to along with us. Really, sometimes sir, what sir used to do, you know, sir used to say, you do this activity, but don't discuss it. But we used to discuss it. Then only we'll get the ideas, no? Without discussing how the ideas will come. And somewhere madam is also there with us. Okay. So right now, last but not the least, a wonderful message by our correspondent madam. Let me sir. Yes, okay sir. Okay, now a certificate to our correspondent madam. She is not a madam, she is a guide, she is a mentor, and moreover, she is a student.